Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons and manga and all sorts of stuff. And today I've gotten a lot of requests about drawing hands. So there's a hand pose most people don't think about, and it's important. It's the relaxed hand. I mean, when it's at your side. So many people think you have to do something with a hand. You don't. You don't usually do anything with your hands. They just hang there. But how? How do they hang there? Sort of like this. Let's give this a try. So here's the wrist. And we're going to bend the hand a little at the wrist. And we're going to adjust as we go along. So we bend it in. If it just goes straight, it doesn't look quite as relaxed. And so we're going to have the knuckles cresting forward. And I'm going to put a little nub here for the knuckle. And bring the finger in like so. And like I say, we will do some adjusting and etc., etc. Over here, starting way back, is the thumb. Comes out here. Here's the first joint right here, the thumb. Here's the second joint. Comes in here. And the third joint right here. So there are actually 3 joints in the thumb, not 2 joints, as many people assume. And we're going to give it a little pouch here, right here, for the palm, the calluses. Then we can bring one over here, another finger, and bring one over here just to overlap. This comes in here. I'm going to bring this in a little further. This is a lot of size over here. So now that we have this, or actually if you want, you could also just bring it in this way. So instead of bringing it out, you can really vary the look by bringing the middle finger in here. Gives it a little more feeling of depth. Okay, so now let's darken it in and see what we have. It's very big here, the base of the thumb, very big, and it's got a knuckle right there. Very big, another joint here. It starts inside of the hand, comes here and backs out, and that backward curve we all know about is right there, but this is loose, not hard, a little soft. The palm is a soft part, inside is soft, the outside is hard. Same thing with the fingers, the inside is a little rounded, the top is very straight. And you can also shade the back one in, giving it a little bit of perspective there. I like to also add a little bit of articulation, bring this down a little bit like this, so it's a little bit of a bump at the wrist, and then a little bump at the knuckles right there. Bring it in here, but this will invade right here. This will go actually inside. So there you go. It's a pretty easy progression. So just remember a few of those principles. Thank you for requesting this, and I hope you enjoyed it. I have new videos I upload every Monday. I hope you will subscribe and get them for free. Thanks. Bye-bye.